In today's video, I'm going to teach you Pageless Google Docs, how to make a Google Doc without pages. If you want your document to scroll continuously instead of being divided into separate sheets, Google Docs has a built-in pageless view that makes that possible. This is especially useful when you're working on notes, drafts, collaborative documents, or anything you want to read and edit in one smooth flow without page breaks getting in the way. To begin, open your Google Doc and go to the top menu bar. From there, click File. This is where Google Docs keeps many of the document level settings, including the option we need for changing the layout style. After clicking File, look through the drop-down menu and select Page Setup. Even though the goal is to remove pages, this is still the place where Google Docs lets you control how the document is displayed. Once you open Page Setup, a small settings window will appear on your screen. Inside that Page Setup window, switch to Pageless. Depending on your version of Google Docs, you may see tabs or layout choices, such as Pages and Pageless. What you want to do here is choose the Pageless option so the document is no longer formatted like traditional paper pages. In the Page Setup window, make sure Pageless is selected. This confirms that your document will change from a page-based format into a continuous scrolling format. If you're used to a standard document layout, this can make the workspace feel cleaner and more flexible, especially on wider screens. Once Pageless is selected, click OK to apply the change. Google Docs will then update the document layout for you. This usually happens right away, so you should see the difference immediately. After that, your document will now display as one continuous page without page breaks. Instead of seeing separate page sections, you'll be able to scroll straight through the content from top to bottom. This can make writing and reviewing content feel much more natural, particularly for digital-first documents that are not meant to be printed. Just keep in mind that Pageless View is mainly designed for on-screen work. If you later need a print-friendly format, you can always return to Page Setup and switch back to the standard Pages view. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your Google Doc into a pageless document. Thank you for watching.